If you've ever watched a Tarantino movie, you'll know what a crash zoom is.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
So let's crash zoom LumaFusion style. Okay, first thing is we're going to need a clip, so I'm just going to pull down this Halloween inspired clip. We only need a short amount, so I'm going to take it to about just over a second, drop it down onto the timeline. We're probably going to use even less than that. I'm actually going to bring it down to about half a second or so. Just zoom in a little bit. We'll see if the pacing's okay, if not we'll trim things down a bit further. I highlighted the clip, going to tap on the pencil icon, and then from there what we want to do is zoom in. So starting at the beginning of the clip, drop a keyframe, and then at the end of the clip also drop a keyframe, and just with your fingers pinch and zoom and come in pretty tight to the pumpkin head, like so. And then what we can do then is play it through and see if it works. It's actually a bit slow, we want it to be an even faster clip. So let's do that. What we're going to do is just press on the last keyframe and then just slide it across to around about 5 frames. And then we're going to do it again, and that has the more desired crash zoom effect. So literally between 3 and 5 frames is where you want to execute this at. And that will then give you the room to, at the back end, decide how much of the clip you need. I'm going to make it really fast. There we go. And what you can do after that is find other clips that you maybe want to add a crash zoom to. So for example, spooky makeup. Again, just take it down to a second or two initially. We'll just drag and drop it onto the timeline this time. Now what you can actually do this time is just highlight the first clip, because you're wanting the same kind of crash zoom effect, and then from there copy the settings, go to the second clip, and then paste those settings. So we only want the frame and fit, paste attributes. You can see when we do the crash zoom, has the same effect, but again, because we've selected 1.1 second 14 frames, that we want to speed things up a bit. So tap on the pencil icon again, and again I'm just going to press and hold on this keyframe and then just move things in if it lets me. There we go. So I'm just going to take it to, again, make it 6 frames this time. Just check out that it works. Yep, that has the desired effect. And again, we can just play with the crash zoom and reduce the amount of overall video that we've got on the go. So here's the first crash zoom, second crash zoom. It's that fast. That's basically how you do a simple crash zoom, which Tarantino was obviously well renowned for, amongst other people. Edgar Wright likes them as well. And you can add that to your toolbox of tricks that you can do with your own video.